Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am doing how I refresh my wash and go routine. I usually refresh my hair in the morning because I have things to do throughout the day. Today I have an audition. It is Thursday, 7 o'clock in the morning. So I am getting ready to go to my audition. I'm about to refresh my hair so you guys can see how I refresh my hair to go on my auditions. And yeah, so let's just get started. So this is my first day of my wash and go, I believe. No, this is my second day of my wash and go. I washed my hair the day before, and whenever I have like an audition or anything like that, I try to wash my hair the day before or 2 days before so my wash and go could be like set and like defined and stuff like that. But this one was kind of last minute. I didn't know that I was gonna have an audition until 2 days before. My agency reached out to me and I was already busy, so I had no time to prepare my hair for the audition today. So whatever, we're about to just refresh it, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I'm gonna talk you guys through it, and yeah. So my hair's already parted. I personally like to wear my wash and goes in a part down the middle. I used to do it on the side part, but then I kind of stopped. Not for no specific reason, but yeah, I did. Okay, so whenever I'm doing anything to my hair, as you guys know, I usually part it in four. Like I said, I have a lot of hair, so it's almost impossible to do a wash and go without, you know, parting my hair in four. All right, so now that it's parted in four, this is how much hair I'm going to be working with. And I'm going to use my spray bottle. I have to put makeup on my forehead, but it always makes it difficult because when I try to lay my edges and I have makeup on my hair, on my head, it just looks a hot mess. So I don't know how I'm going to do that, and hopefully the water and everything in the product doesn't get on my face. But if it does, bear with me. It is 7 o'clock in the morning and this baby is tired. Okay. So right now I'm just wetting my hair. I try not to put too much water. The product that I'm going to be using, that I always use to refresh my wash and go, is Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I've been using this product since I was in college. Works wonders, you guys. Like, it's amazing. And it's really thick. That's what I really like about it, because my hair is really dry. And my curls need a thick product to keep the curls intact, and sometimes it does get frizzy, but I'm going to show you guys how I prevent that. So I'm going to take a lot, as you guys can see. I'm going to spray some water inside of my hand. I wish I had like a bucket, but I don't. But I just sprayed water, so there's water in the Shea Moisture product. And then just going to like really run it through my curls, like really make sure that I'm getting it through my hair. And then I really like to focus on the ends, because usually my ends are super crunchy. A little bit more, this was too much, and apply it to my ends. And then I'm just gonna use the rest of that to apply it to my roots. My wash and goes won't come out as defined, and that is really what I like about, that's really what I like about this product, the fact that it's so thick that it defines your curls like to the max. I use a lot of it, as you guys can see. I use a lot. As the days go on, like today's my second day of my wash and go. The first day was whatever. Everybody hates their first day of their wash and go. As the days go by, you don't really have to apply as much product. I've noticed that. But your first, second, and third day, you kind of have to apply a good amount. So this is how it looks with the product. Let me show you guys up close. So that's the front of it. And then I just do it in sections. Like, I literally do the back side. So I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did in the front to the back. I'm going to spray water on my hair. Usually sometimes I work from the back first, because my back is the driest. I like to apply the most product back there. But I'm tired, so I'm going to just do whatever. But it really doesn't matter whether you do the front, the back, whatever. As long as you are applying product to your hair, then you're fine. So like I said, a good amount. Light on my hair. Back of my hair is like so dry, it's not even funny. And it's crazy because I literally just did a hot oil treatment the other day, but my hair just, it literally eats up moisture. My hair is the type of hair, if I'm not moisturizing it constantly and applying product to it constantly, I look a hot mess. Like, there's no, you could do your hair once every 3 days. Like, I have to refresh my hair every single day. I don't know if you guys are the same way. Some natural girls are able to wake up and just take their hair out of a pineapple. I could if I wanted to, but I don't want to go outside like this. I want it to be defined. I'm like one of those naturals that have to put a little bit more effort into my hair in order for it to come out looking nice. Which is okay. If you're like that, it's okay, because not everybody's hair is going to be the same way. Some people could wash their hair once and that's it. They don't have to apply nothing else. They don't have to apply no product the rest of that week. Some people are not that way. I'm one of those girls that is not that way. So every single day, I'm doing this to my hair. That's also another reason why I don't wear my hair in the wash and go too often. Because to be honest, it's a lot of work, guys. But when I go on auditions, my agency, they, my look is my hair for them. So when I go on auditions, my hair has to always be out. And the times when it's not out, I always, you know, I can tell it, like if it would have been out, it probably would have worked more in my favor. So I try to wear my hair out every time I'm going, which is hard because if you're natural, you know, like you have to prep your hair. And the key is to really scrunch your hair up. Like when you're done applying product, you really just want to take it and like scrunch it up. Because any product that's really thick, like this product, is going to leave your hair like, it's going to make your curls like stick together when you first apply it. So you have to like really, like it gives you the chance to define it on your own, if that makes any sense to you guys. Like it makes your hair really stick together and it makes it look like clumped together, and you separate it and you just really scrunch up your curls like this. But I apply a lot of product, as you guys can see. It really just like works. Like if I don't apply that much, you can tell. Like you can 100% tell that I didn't apply a lot of product. So, and then I just put it in a ponytail and I kind of just do the same thing. And then I work on that side, and you guys can see the difference. On this side, I'm actually gonna work on the back first and then do the front. I'm gonna put the front up like that. And then we're gonna work on the back. So same process. I do the same thing throughout my whole head. Yeah, that's it. I'm super excited for today. I'm like really tired. Whenever I go on auditions, I'm always so nervous. But today I just want to go in there and be calm. I feel like I've been doing it for so long that at this point in my life, it's like, it's nothing to be nervous about. You go into a room full of people that are just doing their jobs. They're just trying to pick somebody so that they can go home. Like no one really wants to be there, I'm pretty sure. So it's kind of like you just go in, talk to normal people, smile, and then you did. Like it's nothing to really have your nerves like all shaken up about. I think what happens is when you know the name of the brand or what company you're auditioning for, then it makes you nervous because you're like, oh my God, this could be my big break. So it's almost like that's what makes you nervous. And when you get in the room, then you're nervous because you've already overthought the whole process. But if you just go in there and you think about it like, I'm going in here, I'm gonna be in here for no more than 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna leave. Literally how fast these auditions are. So the longest part about it is prepping for it, making sure you know your lines, making sure you know what you need, making sure you have all your paperwork and everything, and then making sure you look nice. Like making sure your hair is done. If they want you to wear makeup, make sure your makeup is done, and all of that good stuff. Right now, I'm just applying this to my hair. My hair usually takes about an hour to dry. So it's 7 o'clock. Well, it's probably not 7 o'clock anymore. But my audition is at 9:30, so hopefully by then it'll be dry. So this is how it looks. Take it all out, so you guys can see. It has a print from the scrunchie holder that I had in it, but it's fine because it'll literally come right out. So, and that's the only way I'm able to do my hair without having all of it in my face, because trying to do it all at once would be, it would look a hot mess and it'd be super overwhelming. So yeah, this is my results. I'm just gonna scrunch it up. Okay, so this is how my hair looks. You guys can see. Why does this look like that? This is how it looks. I have a random long piece back there. But this is how it looks. Wet. Like this. Then I'm about to use my Holy Grail product. If you're not onto it yet, get onto it. I use it for everything. I just showed you guys it the other day in my hot oil treatment video. Like, it's in every single video. It will be in every single video because it's just that bomb. Anywho, I use this on my wash and go. Not a lot. About this much. Like, a little bit. Because if not, if you use too much, your wash and go will literally look like oily as hell. So, not a lot. But I just apply this to my wash and go to prevent frizz and to just add shine. But like I said, I don't use a lot. I use like a good amount. Add it to the front, like I legit just like run it through my hair, especially like up here, because this is where my hair will get frizzy, like around that area. Apply a little bit of it to the ends. And then, yeah. Scrunch it up. In my opinion, it just makes the curls look more defined and more like neat. So like I said, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Rub it up. And apply that bad boy to your hair. I usually like go like this, like in order to get my back of my hair to look as long as it does, like to stretch it out, I like stretch it from the roots with my fingers. So I'll take my fingers and I'll like run it through the roots, if that makes sense. It just gives my hair like that, like the ends look like the back of my hair looks way longer. Take your fingers and really just like go like this to the roots. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm about to go do what I have to do, and I'll come back to you guys in about a good hour and a half before I leave for my audition so that you guys can see my finished results. All right, so I'm back. I usually use this big tooth comb while in the middle of drying. I'll just like use it and like fluff it so that my hair could have more volume. The bigger, the better. It's really big, it's really fluffy. Also laid my edges off of camera because like I said, I had makeup on and I did not know what what was about to happen. Okay, so this is my final look. I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next